If your aim on social media is to make money in this year 2025, then there are four things you need, four tools you need to start your journey and end well on social media. You know, some people will say, there's money on social media, oh. There's money on YouTube, oh. There's money on Facebook, oh. There's money on this, there's money on that. You want to start that journey? All you need is, there are four tools I'm going to show you for free. Number one, you need to start your journey on social media is you need what we call a good camera phone. You need a good camera phone because it's not just something that you just come and be posting rubbish. Sorry to say that. It's not something that you come and be posting what does not qualify you. Because, for example, on YouTube values quality video. YouTube value quality image. They don't need to be struggle to see what you are trying to say on YouTube. So there are four tools you need. Number one is what? You need a quality video camera that can give you a good record. If you don't have iPhone, there are some Android phones that are strong and good with quality camera these days. So go and get your camera phone or camera that is good in recording. So if you want to start your journey to make money on social media in this year 2025, is go and get a good camera. That's number one. Then number two, you need a good standing tripod. Correct tripod that can hold your video camera for you. Correct tripod that can stand, that even if you don't have anybody at all to help you to do your recording, with your tripod you can stand well. You don't know camera, you don't know tripod. This is tripod. So with this tripod you can help yourself to do much video by yourself. Even without anybody, you can stay inside your house, you can stay outside your house and do any recording anywhere. Then number three things you need to know is you need ring lights. You know, in as much that I say YouTube value image very well, YouTube value quality video very well, you need ring lights, because it was ring lights that you need to power your lights, especially those of us that are shy type. You can't stay outside to do a video, you can't stay outside to talk because you are ashamed. Shame no go let you talk for public. So what do? You need to buy your ring light. That ring light will be something that will help you to stay indoor and do your video very neat and very nice. Then finally, I'm going to add this one to it, because you may think that to be creating video, my phone can create video, my camera is good enough to create quality video. Let me tell you, you need quality sound. You need quality sound of your voice to come out. Then what do you need? You need what we call this is microphone. You need a quality microphone. Just like as I'm talking to you, you are hearing my voice. So you need a quality microphone like this, my own, or you can get another one that is as lower as this. All of them they produce. There's another microphone. Can I get the other one? So there are a lot of microphones out there. So you can produce something like this, as you can see. This one also can travel far, and also something like this you can get it. If you can get